What the hell?
I don't know where the fuck that came from.
Huh?
What's going on?
No.
Smack.
Like. Oh. Another trippy story. They follow me everywhere.
They follow.
Oh, that's the most important one.
It's mine now.
It's my mommy's.
Sorry, she's being loud.
Ready?
Beware the penguins.
I'll show you, penguin.
Give me.
No, lady.
No.
Lady, this is gonna turn really ugly really fast, lady.
My pants are gonna fall down. They already are though.
Mine too. Let's do this. Now you need your brush. Are you recording?
That's rude. That is really rude.
Sorry. Sorry, lady. Look at some brush.
I don't
it's
want
your
it right now,
friend.
but I'm not wanting it all right now. Just feel giddy.
No.
Hey there! They follow her.
No, it's not following me, too, thanks.
That's fine.
Do your stuff. Show your shit. No.
Oh, you guys are making my belly hurt. You can't tell.
Where's everybody?
They're all smoking.
Hi.
No, they're all back.
It's real. Well, someone's at the door.
Look, it's Puppy and Bubbles.
Jay.
Greetings.
From other
Oh my God, can I feel it? I want to feel it. Can I feel it? Oh my God. I'm going.
I'm recording your entrance.
I know. It's like squishy.